Hi friend, so the question is whether we can delete any posted document or not. Now let's check it out if you can delete it or not. Now let's say I'm trying to delete this document, that is 103002, the highlighted one. Okay, now I go and try to delete it. Now I've got the option, I'll click on yes. Now it has given me an error. You cannot delete posted sales document. Data posted will after this. The date is defined by allow document deletion before filling the sales and receivable window. So one thing you have got that in the sales and receivable setup we have allow before. So let's see what I have set here. Now the posting date of this document is 25/1/2021. Now go to sales and receivable setup. Yes. And there it is. You can see that allow document deletion before. Even if you go, the tooltip will tell you what its purpose is. So here you can see that it's 26/4/2020. So before that I can delete the document. Any document posted before 26/4/2020 I can delete, but I cannot delete any document that is posted after that date. Hence we were not able to post our document because it was posted on 2021. So let's just go to any document that is posted before that date. So just let's take this document, okay, that is posted on 2019. So let's go here and try to delete. Now yes, now here you have seen that there's a message prompt up. Number printed must have a value in sales invoice header. It cannot be 0 or empty. So what does it tell? It basically tells that you have to print this document before you can delete it. So now basically in NAV we have the option to delete the documents, but yes, there's one thing which you can notice is number printed is 0. If this number printed is 0, you cannot delete this document. What does it mean? It basically means that you haven't taken any print of that particular document. Now let's go to print. Now let's go to any format, let's say PDF. Now even if you cancel it here, you can see that the counter has increased to 1. So now try to delete it. PLSINV 006. Yes, the document is gone. You can see now that document cannot be found here. So basically it means that you can delete the document, but it has to be printed before it can be deleted. That is the whole purpose. Now the key here is the document has been deleted, but all the entries related to it are still there. Let me show you. Just go to navigate, just put the document number here and click on find. You can see that all the ledger entries like GL, customer, GST, everything is there. Okay, so basically no entry is deleted, and it's quite acceptable and quite obvious that you can't delete any entries in NAV, or for that matter any ERP that has a little self-respect. So now this was all about whether you can delete a document in NAV or not, and yes, you can delete it. Now guys, I don't know why anybody would like to delete a document though we have all the entries in place. But let's say for any reason if a client wants to delete it, then yes, we have to. This is not suggested, but you can tell him that there's an option to delete it, but this is not suggested. Even if you delete the document, all the ledger entries will be in their place. So that's it. Thank you.